Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be doing a fidget trading with someone. So I'm not going to reveal that person. It's a secret. You have to guess. Friend, family, stranger, or someone to my newest friend or an old friend. Okay, let's get started. Oh my gosh, my fidgets are starting to get really boring. I've had them for super long time. Oh my gosh, no way. She has my dream fidget. Pop it. Are you serious? Are you flipping me? You have to be. This ain't no joke, is it? Is it? Is it? Huh? Are you kidding me? That girl is rich. In a second, I'm gonna go try and trade with her. First, I wanna ask you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Sorry guys, I'm trying to use my stick. Sorry guys, but are you kidding me right now? That girl has all my dream fidgets. She can't just share one little bit. So, right now guys, I'm gonna go to see if I could try and trade with her. Hey, can I trade with you? No. You have too many. You have way too less stuff. And look at all my stuff. Come on, just look at all my cool food squishies. And then my two mochis. They even stick to the roof. That's how good I take care of them. Come on. You have to trade with me. There is one thing I'm missing, which you'll likely not get it. It is the set of pink to purple, blue to yellow, blue to pink, and yellow to orange color changing Nido set. If you can find those, I'll depend on trading with you. Otherwise, out of my sight. Okay guys, she was really rude. I still have all my fidgets. See if we can go find the pack. I think this might be it. Who would leave? It is yellow to orange. Who would leave a Nido on the side of nowhere? The pink to purple. No, where could the blue be? Someone couldn't have not left a blue. Come on, someone had to leave a blue. Come on. Oh, are you serious? Blue to pink. Yes, she'll finally trade with me. I have the whole set. Okay, we're back. Let's hope she trades with me now. Hey, I have the fidget you wanted. Guys, we're gonna try and scam her, only because she was really rude to me last time I tried to trade her, and these are pretty rare. So, let's see. Hey, I found what you're looking for. What? Really? And you didn't, you still have every last one of your fidgets? Yep. Where did you find them? Let's just say I found them in a little spot called No Haters. Oh my gosh. You're serious. Yes. So now I want your square poppet, your heart poppet, your yellow poppet, and your tie-dye poppet. And there's more, because these are super legendary, like you said, right? Yeah. I want your mini poppet, your pineapple poppet, your purple circle poppet, your dimple digits, your butterfly dimple, wacky track, fidget pad, pea popper, monkey noodles, snapper, cheeky chocolate, feel it pad, all your slimes, marble mesh, your original groovy glob Neatos, squishy, corgi Neato, and a pop tube. Okay. Haha, loser. Get scammed. You don't even get the Neatos. Next time, you'll learn not to scam people or be rude. Because my friend told me you scammed her. So that's for not being nice. Next time, you'll think about your actions. Yes! Guys, look. Got all this new stuff. And I scammed her, so I kept my fidgets. I got a lot of stuff. And I got this cool water timer. It's so cool. I wish... Wait, I think there's gonna be another video later, maybe in a minute. So, love you guys. Bye-bye.